Just think about opening the door and seeing a theater play right outside your home. Hi, I'm Edward and welcome to Secret Abruzzo. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting small apartment right in the heart of Chieti. It's located in a very beautiful piazza called Largo Cremonesi, which is special because it's a big piazza, so it has plenty of light, plenty of space. During the summer, they hold a lot of activities, open air cinema and stuff like that. But let's go. Let me present you first the apartment. So, as we enter the apartment, on the left, we will have a small bathroom. It has a bathtub. This apartment was restructured not a long time ago, so it's in a pretty good shape. It has these beautiful vaulted ceilings. So here we have a master bedroom with a window outside and a dressing room right here. This also has a small window, so it's nice. It has plenty of air. Going further away inside the apartment, we have a living room area. I love the fact that all the vaulted ceilings are opened, so there is no white painting on top of them. It's a ground floor apartment, which goes to the piazza. This way you can have also a little bit of the theater play. I'm leaving the window open. Here is the boiler, which is new, so maybe it's better to close the window. The windows are wooden, but you have double windows, so you can already see how well they are isolating. Look at those details. These vaulted ceilings are amazing. You also have like a thermostat at the boiler. The boiler, it's not new, but it's in pretty good condition. Here you have a place where you can put a TV. You have a small dining space. And here you have a small yet beautiful kitchen. It's equipped with everything you might need. You have the gas stove. And here you have a washing machine, a small fridge, some storage space. I see that there are a lot of vents everywhere, so being a ground floor, sometimes it can bring humidity problems. I don't see them a lot here. It's just a little here, but it happens all the time when the apartment is closed for a long time, especially the ones at ground floor. I love the heating system. Again, the bathroom. And now let's go outside to the theater play and I will show you all the way up. So, this way up, we're just like 1 minute away from the main pedestrian street in Chieti, which is called Corso Marrucino. So these are some very beautiful narrow streets. You can enter with your car till here. Of course, this is a traffic restricted area, so if you have the residency, you can bring your car here, and then, but there is no parking place here. You will have a parking place on the main street, where down there, where is also the bus station. But look at these small, narrow streets. I love this thing. Here on the right, it's a big construction site. They are rebuilding an important building of the city. And as I told you, in just a few steps, we arrived right on the main street. Let me take you to show you the theater, Teatro Marrucino. Here on the left we have Palazzo del Governo, and we also have the police station. And here at the fountain, it's the area where the pedestrian street is starting, so no cars allowed. And also here on the right, we will have Teatro Marrucino. This is a very important meeting point in the city, so often when you want to meet someone, you would take this fountain as a meeting point, also because it's close to everything. So right over there is Piazza San Giustino, the main piazza in the city. And from this part on, Corso Marrucino, the pedestrian street, starts. Now being 6 o'clock in the afternoon, the street is getting really busy because everybody is going out to do the jobs that they have to do, or going out later to eat and everything. So I hope you like it. It's a small property, but you don't have any works to do. The price is very good. It's 45,000 euros, so it's ready to move in. It's really suitable if you want to rent it, for example, either as a B&B or like for long term. So if you want to take it as an investment, I think it's a great investment. And the place, it's amazing. So it's right in the heart of the city. You have that big piazza. It was, I was not expecting to be that theater play, but I'm glad that it was. This way you can have a pretty good idea about what to expect if you're planning to live here. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you next one.